Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in the car. We just got back from vacation. We just unloaded our car, but I am on the road again. I am heading to our local Kohl's. I got this idea from Kajun Roots Reseller Johnny about doing this little challenge, and I'm gonna see if I can do it. We have $20 Kohl's cash that expires today, which is the day we got back from vacation. So instead of letting it go to waste, I'm going to drive to Kohl's now while my wife's at home doing some laundry from vacation. The kids are resting, but I'm gonna see what I can find in the Kohl's clearance aisle for $20. It might be multiple items, it might be one item. And we're gonna see if we can turn this $20 Kohl's cash into some more money and see if it actually works. But I also might find stuff that if I don't sell it, we can use for personal use. So it's a win-win. And also, if we don't sell it, we're not out any money, but we usually have some pretty good luck and we usually sell stuff. So I don't want to keep rambling on. I know it's been about a minute already. I am not going to film in there, but I am going to try to get some clips with my phone of what I'm looking at. I don't like carrying the GoPro through Kohl's, so it's one of those things that's just my personal preference at the moment. We did just drive 3 hours to get home. We unloaded, it took us about an hour or so to unload. We ate some lunch and I'm back on the road again. And this is the last thing I want to be doing right now. I do not want to be in the car anymore. We just sat in the car way too long. So let's get to Kohl's, guys. $6 still. That's pretty cool, but we're in Steeler territory. $3 on that. So Penn State socks are $6. Face masks. Pirate face masks. Penn State beanies, $7.50. No way. And some belts, but we're not going to do those. So. Nothing over there. Huh. Hot dogs and beer? No way. Man, not looking good here. What's this? PGA Tour pocket clip. The ball marker. That might be a winner. So down there. I just backed into a wall. Reed diffusers. Those might be. Oh, look at that. Yep, I think I found what I'm getting. Let me check over here real quick. Oh, there's more of them. Yep, I think so. Hey guys, back in the car. I just went shopping at Kohl's with the $20 Kohl's cash we had. We also had a 20% off coupon, so I was able to get this for, it was like $19 and like 89 cents or something total wise. So I'm going to show you what I found. First off, I got this PGA Tour money clip with a ball marker. Pretty cool. It's in red. Everybody likes red. A lot of golfers like red. This was $6.30. The Kohl's price tag on it's $18. Looks like they do pretty well. I think we'll probably be able to get right around $10 plus shipping, or maybe even like $8.99 plus shipping on that. And the next thing, we got 4 of these. These are Serene House Scented Reeds Relax. They were grand total of $4.19 each. I picked up 4 of them just because it was going to be an easy lister. These things seem to do pretty well, and nobody has the relaxed ones on eBay, so I think we're going to do fairly good with this. I'm having high hopes. The retail price on these are $13.99 each. I might list them for about $9 plus shipping and see what happens. Maybe somebody will buy all 4 of them and get them out of here. So I'll keep you guys updated with this whole thing, and I'm not sure how we're going to keep doing this. If once we sell stuff, if we'll keep going back to Kohl's, buy more clearance stuff with this money, but maybe we'll see what kind of ongoing thing we can do. So thanks guys again for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and be kind. Keep picking, guys. Bye.